Hey folks, Turbine Guy coming back at you. Now today we're going to perform a little exhaust repair and see if some JB Weld really does work on an exhaust manifold. If you see on my old boat engine here, we got a problem where we've got a small hole here, another bigger hole there, and they had brazed it with some brass before to fix it, but that has come through. So instead of replacing this whole piece, which is over $500 or $600, I'm just going to try to fix it up for now and get that to last a while. So what I did was, I went up and got myself some JB Weld Extreme Heat. That's the key right there. This stuff is specifically made for exhaust manifolds and the super high temperatures. It says up to 2400. This isn't going to get that hot, but that's what it's made for. So I've already come through with my drill, and I went through and cleaned and polished all the rust and junk off of there. I got a little bit of sandpaper. You could use a wire brush, and I roughed it all up good like the instructions said. Next thing to do, this stuff out. You kind of got two colors in there. Said to mix it really well. There we go. I think we're about ready now. Take some of this. They say to spooge it in there good. Get it in the cracks. Get it in the holes. They tell you if you got cracks, you might want to clean and chip them out a little just to give it more to grab onto. Enough for the project. Hey, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more innovative DIY projects. And that bottom hole, I think I'm going to get some more in that bottom hole. Right down there. Okay, what the instructions say is to give it a good 2 to 4 hours to harden up and come down and use a fingernail or something and press into it to see. But it really does say on here, you should give it a good solid 24 hours to give you a solid cure. So that's what I'm going to do, and I'm going to wait till tomorrow and come back and check. Well, there you have it, folks. The JB Weld Extreme Heat for exhaust manifolds did the job and saved the day. That's over a $600 part, and instead of that, I got myself a $12 jar of this stuff, puttied it on, gave it plenty of time. We just took it for a 3-hour tour, no problems. Thank you, JB Weld. Hey, when it's time to start your DIY project and you need some help, check out my website at gogreenenergyonline.com or give me a call at 952-334-6400.